back to Line Dance with Christiane, Yes We Can, and Demi. Thank you for joining me. Please click subscribe to learn more dances. Today the lesson is for a line dance called Be Her to the song Be Her by Ella Langley. And there are several dances to this song. So here's one of them. Be Her by the choreographer Steven Pistoia and Laura Pistoia. 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts, an improver level dance. Here's a preview of the steps. Rocking chair, rocking chair, and a quarter, turn over your left shoulder, step behind with the left, quarter turn right, stepping to the side, pivot, turn half, walk left, walk right, point left to the side, behind, point right to the side, behind, point left to the side. Cross the left, cross, step side, step back, hook right, cross right, step back left a quarter over your right shoulder, side and hook, hook left, pivot, turn, half turn, shuffle, pivot half, turn, walk right, left. New wall, 9 o'clock. Those are the steps. Let's break it down. Here we go. Starting with the rocking chair. Rock forward with your right, rock back, recover. Step a quarter turn to the 9 o'clock wall over your left shoulder. Step behind with your left. Now do another quarter turn to the front, stepping to the side with the right, and a forward left so you can pivot. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 8. You've already stepped forward on that left, so you have pivot, stepping forward on your right, then 2 walks forward, left, right, then point the left to the side, point, step back, point right to the side, step back, point left. And the counts are, you just stepped forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Third set of 8. We're going to cross the left foot in front, side, behind, and hook, and then reverse on the other side. So we go left, cross, right to the side, left, behind, right, hook, cross right. Now we're going to turn over our right shoulder a quarter to face 9 o'clock, stepping back with the left, back, side, hook, left. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing 9 o'clock. Fourth set of 8. Your left foot's up. You step forward on it, do a half pivot and a shuffle. So my left foot's up, I step forward, half pivot, weight on right, shuffle forward with the left, step together, step. Now I'm going to go back the other way, step forward on your right, half pivot left, and just 2 walks, right, left. That's the last set of 8. So I'm facing 9 o'clock, my left foot is up in a hook, and I step forward, half pivot, and shuffle forward. Step forward, half pivot, and right, left, walk, walk. And the counts are a little bit easier, faster. The counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Those are the 32 counts. No tags, no restarts. Let's put it all together. Here's the review. Starting with the rocking chair. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock forward, rock back, quarter turn, behind, quarter turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, point, back, point, cross, side, behind, hook, cross, step, back, side, and hook, pivot, and shuffle. shuffle, and a pivot, and a walk, walk. And the counts are from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 4 walls. Let's do one more wall with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Start again with the rocking chair. Great. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Click the link below for the demo. Bye-bye.